Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, anyone who has got this material body, he cannot stop even for a moment working something. Nahi akarmati. This is the nature. He must do. That's a child. Child is always restless. Similarly, child is the father of man. One who becomes father, the same restlessness. Because that is the nature. Nahi dehoman akarmati. So if you are not engaged in good work, then you must act badly. That is natural. You have to work. Therefore, idle brain is devil's work. If you are sitting idly, then brain also will work, mind also will work. The bodily function will go. So, if you don't engage yourself in good work, then you must be engaged in bad work. And if you are not engaged in good work, and if you are engaged in, there are two things, good or bad, so in one of them you must be engaged. So if you are not instructed or trained up to act in good work, then we must be doing bad work. Bad work means maya, and good work means God. There are two things, God and maya. If you do not act in godly situation, then we must be acting in maya's clutches. That is explained in the Chaitanya Charitamrita in a very simple verse. Hoya mayar das kori nana abhilas. As soon as I become servant of maya, then I shall create so many rascaldom in the name of philosophy and science. This is going on. So-called philosophy and science means all rascaldom. Bad one. It is very challenging word. And this is the fact. If we do not, take for example, there are so many scientists, so many philosophers, and so many hippies also, LSD men. Why this has happened? Because there is no good engagement. Some are passing in the name of so-called scientists and so-called philosophers, and some of them are hippies. But all of them are engaged in bad. Asat. Asat and sat. Sat means permanent. And asat means temporary. So we must know what is our constitutional position. That we do not know. We are sat, eternal. Therefore, we shall act in such a way that will benefit my eternal life. That is all. Therefore, the Vedas instruct, asato mam sadgama, don't be engaged in temporary activity, bodily. Bodily necessities means temporary. If I am child, my body is of a child's body, then my necessities are different from my father's necessities. So everyone is engaged in bodily necessities. Therefore it is said, Dehavana jaganmapi. And Parinang gunasanga asti. Infection. We have got this practical understanding. If your body infects some disease, then we have to suffer. And if your body remains unaffected by the poisonous, then you remain healthy. Therefore it is said, Sambhavantihi bhadrani viparitani cha anuga. Viparitani, viparitani, that's the opposite. Sambhavanti bhadrani. One is acting in auspicity and one is acting viparitani, just the opposite, inauspicity. In this way, we are becoming entangled. Life after life.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,